Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm here with the Faith Mini 2, and I was able to update the iOS app, fortunately, so now it's fully compatible. So let's go ahead and turn on the remote. Alright, press there. Now we're going to go ahead and insert the OTG cable to the phone. Now before I connect it, I'm just going to show you in the app right here when you open the Connect guide how they've added the Mini 2 there. So as you can see, the Mini 2 is now available, and yeah, so let's go ahead now and turn on the quad and connect it to the remote. Wait for the gimbal to do its calibration thing, and then it should sync up pretty quickly to the remote. It usually takes around, I don't know, 15 to 20 seconds or so for the quad to, sync to the RC. And once that happens, you see the red light here turn green. There you go, just turned green. And now it automatically recognizes that the Mini 2 is connected, as you can see here. So we'll just press start flying, and now we're inside the interface. Alright, so let's just go through the general settings first. And automatically switch horizontal, vertical. Can't see the full text, I don't know what that is. Might be to switch the speed, horizontal, vertical speed, I'm not sure. Obviously it's not finished. So yeah, you have your basic, dynamic return to home point, speed modes, sensor calibration. Over here you have the gimbal wheel sensitivity, gimbal wheel upward angle. Yeah, this is just like the Xeno Mini Pro, where you can, pull the gimbal upwards. Battery settings here. And your other settings, you got your version information, so you got your firmware version and all of the other information. Alright, so let's go into the camera settings. Alright, so you can see now you have the 4K 30, 2.7K 30, 1080p 60, 1080p 30, and 720 60. You have exposure, which is nice. So just lower the exposure so you can see that it works. Heighten the exposure. You see it's fully bright. You have your what do you have here? White balance. Your video watermark, photo watermark, your photo resolutions, ISO. So you have it all the way up to 1600, which is not bad. Your scene modes and the effect modes over here on the bottom. So yeah, it's pretty basic. Over here you have your quick shots, and you can only do that when you're in the air. What else? Oh, what's that? Okay, just turn that off. It's the magnetic interference. This is for your zoom. So you just press the FN button, leave your finger held down while you scroll on the wheel, and you're able to zoom in and out. So what I'm going to do is just take it outside and show you guys what she can do. Alright, so what you've just seen is the sample footage taken with the Mini 2, filmed in 4K at 30 frames per second. Now, after viewing them on my computer, I noticed that the 30 frames per second looks more like, I don't know, 20 to 25 frames per second. There must be some sort of bug in the firmware, I'm assuming. So I'll have to contact C-Fly and see what they tell me. Other than that, that's all, I wanted to show you guys. Hopefully they'll send me a new firmware and I can upgrade it and continue to show you guys what this thing is really capable of, rather than what we just saw, which is not bad. The resolution is pretty nice. It's way better than the Mini 1. That's obvious from the looks of it. And yeah, I'll just have to keep you guys tuned into that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and God bless you all. Back with a